here.
You have the two babies. Wow, that's
Come here, next to Tata.
Yeah, you like that one right there.
Oh, go, one on either side.
Okay, Maddie, what color do you like the best?
Stephanie, take the picture. Okay.
Maddie, what color?
Come here.
Wow.
Maddie, come
Ooh,
here.
look, look. Wow, the wheels of the bus go round swell.
You're so easy.
Achoo!
Hey.
Noah. Look, watch. Noah, ball.
They're ready
Ball. Oh, wait until we say, ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. He's looking at it. Okay. Happy birthday, dear Tata. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Are those the cookie candles? No, they're not. Thank God.
Hey.
Clap now. Yay!
Can I take something out of the cake? What? Can I take one of these out?
Yeah, you can
Maddie,
take
can you turn
anything.
the light on in the house?
What the heck's edible?
Yeah, there you go.
Perfect.
Whoa,
Look
look.
at this. How
Auntie
cute.
Amber, can you eat these things?
You can, You can eat the needle.
They feel hard.
They are hard.
Try it,
but
it's
they're
like candy.
edible.
Try it.
Yummy!
Yummy. Are you doing a video?
It's on the video.
Cool.
Hey,
You gonna try one?
next noodle.
No,
Can I
it's
try
your
using
birthday?
Let's
chopsticks?
do this.
Can I unroll the whole thing so I can see how long the string will be?
Move back a little bit.
I want to unroll the whole thing.